Air Max that I own, these are my favorite. Thanks, Haley. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And you see it, man. Today we are reviewing the Doernbecher. I never knew how to pronounce that freestyle joint. And what Nike does for these kids, man, I think is so dope. So off the bat, I know the one that everyone's looking for is the Jordan 3 joints, and I didn't hit on them. But when these sneakers come out, I click buy on all of them because it's for a good cause. And y'all know I love a good cause. And y'all know I love a good story. That's why I got all these SBs here. But today, we're here to talk about the Air Max 1 Big Bubble by Haley. She had a heart disease. So in her design, she just wanted to put a whole bunch of hearts, some rainbows, some ice creams, the things that she liked, and it even comes with a bracelet joint. I did get my size, but looking at it, you can tell it's not for me. So I'm going to give this to a person that wears a size 12 and woman that really, really would appreciate this sneaker, man. But as far as design, she killed this, man. This sneaker is fire. You know we don't do a lot of talking here, man. Let's unbox them. Shout out to Nike, man. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So we get that same freestyle box that we got last year. I think last year I showed y'all the Dunk Low joints. The lime green was dope, man. You see the same box. I love this blue. Similar to Tiffany blue a little bit, guys. But yeah, on the front it reads Freestyle Doernbecher. On the side also, at the top. What's dope about this, when you flip open the lid, there go Haley there, guys. It talks about her disease, her heart disease, how she's conquering it, and things of that nature, man. Nike does a good job with this. So Haley is 8. Her hometown is Clackamas, Oregon. I never heard of Clackamas. And the diagnosis was congenital cyanic heart disease. And the shoe was a Nike Air Max 1 86. I remember on the pair last year, it came with this same sticker, but you had to kind of rip the tissue paper to get to when you take this sticker off. I guess to stop resellers, this year they didn't do that. But you see the sticker there, the paper reads the freestyle just like the box. And let's start with the price shoe. And here's a 360 view of the Air Max 1 Bubble 86 by Haley. And what screams at me, look right here, instead of having a small Nike swoosh, it says Haley. I like it. I don't know what that logo means. I have to do more reading, but I like it. And I like how it's in depth inside the leather. Like, you got to feel inside. So I really like that look. All over the sneaker is a whole bunch of hearts, guys. Gold and pink is a dope mix. I really like this. So let's start with the toe box. You got your white leather. Pink hearts all around it. Nice soft leather too. Around that you have the fuchsia pink look. And this leather here is a little different at the top than the white. The white is more of a stiff hard leather. This is a soft leather. It kind of feels like nubuck, but it looks like leather and it is leather, but it got the nubuck. Around there you got white threading all through the pink. And right here, you got kind of a paddle waves look right here. I like it. I wish they would have went a little more crazy with it, but I like that look there. They actually went crazy at the bottom with it. The drip paddle wave look. That's real dope, man. The gold swoosh is dope. Looks just like a patent leather look. I like the gold swoosh, man. Very nice touch. And on top of the gold swoosh, you get a bracelet here. So the bracelet has all our favorite things like I told y'all in the beginning of the video. There go that logo again. I know what this is. This is a drawing of her heart from the doctor. That's crazy, guys. So yeah, this logo is actually the heart too. But you have a charm that come with it. I like that look. You got a, what else we got here? Got a paint set. You got a dog. Who doesn't like dogs, man? Nice dog. And yeah, and the heart again. On a nice gold bracelet that you could probably just wear on your arm because it has the links. But I like it on the shoe also, especially for a woman. You know they like the ankle bracelets and stuff. The back of the shoe is dope too, man. You get your Nike Air logo with a nice gold-plated heart at the top. And speaking of gold-plated hearts, the shoelaces also, the lock holder has a nice heart. Looks like it could be on a chain. Very dope. It comes in pink shoelaces, guys. I like everything about this sneaker so far, and I'm not just saying that because of the cause. This is a nice sneaker. The shoelaces have like squiggly lines here. I know that has something to do with doctor or medical procedure, but this is fire, man. You got fuchsia pink tips at the back just to match the sneaker here on a nice flat light pink shoelace. This is nice. To the tongue now, you get a drawing of our heart again on the tongue. This sneaker course really knocks it out the park, man. I like the look. The back of the tongue is that fuchsia pink again. I didn't know I like fuchsia this much, man. This is nice. Bottom of the shoe has like a light pink gum look. Very dope. Little bit of gold glitter in it. Brings the sneaker together. And speaking of the big bubble of the 86, it has a pink inside. Also has gold hits on it also. Both sides. I like this sneaker, man. So that was the right. This is the left. Looks like the left has way more stuff than the right side had. So let's see what we got. You have an ice cream cone. You have a rainbow. And you have her name, Hailey. I can't get this one. There we go. Her name, Hailey, there. Very nice and unique. You also get some more charms here. I see like a lady's shoe, a dinosaur, a sun, and a heart. So a lot of stuff here, man, for $150 price tag. The left side also has the gold heart too, and the hearts all around, and also the design of her heart, the drawing from the doctor. So everything adds up. It's just you got different charms on this one. The inside also has the drawing of her heart too, man. This sneaker is dope, man. It's getting to my heart. Also, guys, if you can see, both are numbered. You can see the number in the inside. I think that reads 12. So my pair is number 12. I don't know how many they made, but you can see the numbered inside. And of course, all the bracelets. This is really fire, guys. Yes, sir. So this is a quick review on the Air Max 1 Bubble, the Doernbecher Freestyle. Hailey delivered a nice shoe, man. Gold and pink. This is dope, man. I'm going to do my research more on this, see how I can help besides just buying the shoes. I did do that donation stuff. I think that was eBay in the top of the year. So, I mean, I try, man, because, like, this is nice, man. Let me know how y'all feel about these sneakers in the comment section below. Let me know if you hit on any of them. I know the Jordan 3 slime joints was the one to go to because everyone loves the Jordan 3. But I hit on all of them, guys. I got another one to show y'all. Probably get to that video tomorrow. I'm trying to get to this April Dunk review. But yeah, let me know how y'all feel about these. I think I paid $150. Shipped to me, New York. I think it was like $167. I didn't look at resale because I plan on giving these away, but I'm sure resale is maybe $20-$30 difference. Not a hype shoe, but once people get this in hand and mix the cores with how they put this sneaker together, people will wake up, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.